It's just that every time I come here, it makes me really, really uncomfortable. Like something always happens that triggers me. And hello, Freedom Finders. I am Farrah, and this is Finding Freedom with Farrah. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are an old-time friend, welcome back. Today I am in my hometown of Jacksonville, Florida. I'm still here. I wanted to do some spark driving, but I don't know. I mean, there's not really anything coming in, and then it's raining, and I can't hardly see. So I'm waiting for the rain to let up a little bit, and maybe to get some better orders. To see if I want to give a go of it. I'll probably do it for a couple of hours if I do end up spark driving. I don't know, I'm kind of bummed out today. Like, being back home or being back in my hometown just triggers so many things for me. And it reminds me of why I left. Not that it's a bad place, it's just, when you're not supposed to be somewhere. I think it happens every time I come here. And it's not that I don't enjoy my family or enjoy the city or enjoy the things that go on here. It's just that every time I come here, it makes me really, really uncomfortable. Like something always happens that triggers me, and I am fighting very hard not to go into depression. And also, I have other things going on. Just hard to keep going, to keep motivated. But I'll press forward. I don't know. It's just one of those days. So, let's see if we get any worthwhile orders today.
At the light, turn left onto Water Street.
Well, that was a bit of a tricky delivery. I'm all the way downtown. I started on the west side. Now I'm downtown, even though it's only 6.8 miles away. But yeah, having to find parking. These are some of the new apartments here in the city. I don't even think these were built when I moved away. But it's nice to see that they're bringing some development to the city. I don't know how much it costs to live here, but maybe it's reasonable. I don't know. But that is the end of that delivery. I need to verify my face, and we'll see if we're gonna do another one, because I'm downtown now. So I think I'm gonna stop and get me some barbecue, and then maybe go back and get a delivery if I can get one. We'll see. So I was able to get some barbecue. This business has been in business for 68 years, and they are going out of business at the end of this month. So I was able to get my fix before they are no longer in existence. Jenkins Quality Barbecue in Jacksonville, Florida. will go out of business September 30th. So that's probably the last time I'll ever eat their food in life. But it was decent. I mean, ew. I have managed to break the magnetic adapter for my car and my camera, which I'm not too happy about because I don't even think I've had it a little bit over a month. I just ordered another one for Amazon because that is my most used accessory with this camera. I'm actually holding this in my hand right now as I drive. Not ideal because it no longer will hold inside of the case. I don't see if I can return it, even though I did order another one. It'll be here like between 4 and 8 in the morning. I've only done one order today, which will probably be my only order. This area has like 8 pickup points, and they are very spread out, and I just didn't want to drive way over there. It keeps raining on and off. And then one of the only customer that I delivered to today, she just called me and said, oh, she never got her package. I did hand it to a woman who said she was her daughter after she looked at the package. I delivered it to the building. I pressed the code that they gave me to get in the building, and somebody answered and let me up. So she says she never got her package, so I have no idea who let me in the building, and don't know who I handed it to, but it was at the apartment and the number and the building that it was supposed to be taken to. So I'm sure I'm gonna get some kind of ding on my Spark account, but 'tis life. I know I delivered it the right place. Hopefully her daughter, I asked her, did she speak to her daughter? She was like, my daughter didn't get it. So I was like, so you didn't speak to her? So, and then she hung up on me. I was like, well, can you please speak with your daughter before, you report it or whatever? But I don't know. She was like, I went to the other building, but I don't know if she talked to her daughter or not. Probably not. But I'll probably get a ding. Hopefully I won't get deactivated, but it is what it is. You have these things that happen when you're delivery driving. So I don't know. I've been kind of aggravated just all day long. I'm on my way to my house. I own a house here in Florida too. On the way to my house. My sister lives in it right now. Actually, we co-own the house. We inherited it when my father passed away. I'm on my way there. I might try the zone over there by that house, but I'm just in a funky mood. Like, I'm just aggravated. I know. I don't know. It's like I said, when I come back to the city, I always get triggered. Like, it's like, this is why I moved away. So I'm trying to push past it, because I'm planning on being here for at least another 2 weeks, or being around this area for another 2 weeks. Like, I've been staying back and forth between my house here, which is where my sister lives, and my mom's house. And I'm just aggravated. Like, I'll probably sleep in my car tonight just because I just don't want to be bothered with anybody. So, I'm just feeling some type of way.